Yes. Sharmila, Haley, Kelsey, Sabina, I'm waiting for you all to come on the camera. Very good. Haley is there on my camera. What about the others? Sharmila is there, Sabina is there, Kelsey, very good students. Fine. Yes. I want consistently you all to be on the camera. So Kelsey and Sabina are there. Haley and Sharmila again are not there on my camera. Good morning, students. Wake up. Wiki, wiki, we have to do something very,
Already
very
there,
important.
already there.
Yes, you all are there on the camera.
Everyone is there.
Okay, okay, fine. Maybe I am facing some network issue or I am unable to see you all. Fine. I hope consistently you are there on the camera. We'll
Yeah,
move towards
you're
a very
not audible
short.
clearly.
I am not audible. Just a minute, just a minute. I'll just check students whether I am audible now. Am I audible now
There is some
clearly?
background noise, I guess.
Yes. Mama, check now is the volume proper for everyone.
Yes, yes.
Perfect, perfect. Shall we go ahead now? I'll share the screen. There's a very short video. I want you all to pay attention to that video and then I'll be asking question on that video. Okay? So it will wake you up. It has a very great music to it. So please pay attention to that video. I'll be asking some questions related to it. Okay? Is it audible clearly? Haley, Kelsey, Nahida,
Yes.
Sharmila,
It is
possibly.
blurred. The screen is blurred.
The screen is
No,
blurred.
no, no, no.
Wait, I'll just make sure that the quality is better. Quality is already 720. Check if it works like this.
You are muted, Ashwari.
Okay, sorry. Yes, students. Come back on the camera. I can't see anyone on the screen. Nahida, Haley, Kelsey, are there on the screen? Sharmila is there on my screen. Fast. Very good. This is how students we are going to interact. I am not going to interact with H, F, E, N, S, S. Very good. Sharmila and Sabina are there on my screen. Haley is there on the screen. Sharmila, can you see Haley on your screen? No. Kelsey is there on my screen. Shall we go ahead, students? Nahida, where are you?
Ma'am, should I open it in 2-3 minutes?
Yes, please. It would be better so that we'll be able to communicate better in the lecture. Fine. Students, neither I'm waiting for you. Haley, Sharmila, I am unable to see you all. So make sure you turn on your camera as soon as possible. Okay. Students, so what was the video about? Sabina, what was the video about?
Video was about freedom struggle.
Very good. It was about the freedom struggle. So what the prominent heroes were shown in the video? What they were trying to showcase in the video? Tell me.
They were trying to showcase the struggle that the freedom fighters went through and how much trouble did they went through to for their love for their motherland as well as to fight for the nation.
Very good, Felsi. But like, how did they give? Like, how did they give a tribute to all those freedom fighters? It is not possible at in this era to go there and then thank them, right? So how they paid tribute to all the unsung hero of independence, Indian independence. How did they give? Haley, Sharmila? I hope I am audible to everyone. Sabina, I am clearly audible to you.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So I'm waiting for others also to answer. Yes, Haley, Sharmila, Nahida, tell me how did they pay tribute in that particular video?
By showing the
Ma'am, you're talking about how?
that they
One by
were
one.
that
One by
happened.
one. One by one. By Felsi.
By showing the various sites, where they were like
Very
the
good.
jail where they were kept, the places where they were there, the protests, what happened.
Very good. They recreated the site in a museum. Okay, they have recreated the way they were kept when they were in trap or when they were in jail. The way they struggled, big photos with big posters were there in the museum. Yes, Naina, you want to add something to it?
Yeah, ma'am, I was going to say about the museum only.
Perfect. About the museum, we have recently visited one museum, so now we are able to connect towards it. So it was basically a tribute. The name of itself of the museum was Azadi Ke Diwani, and it was a museum been built by the Taipan, and there they were showing about the unsung heroes who were very prominent at that time, but have contributed a lot in that particular freedom struggle. So that was about this entire video. Okay. Now, if I want to tell you how would you contribute towards Indian struggle, if there are even now there are a lot of struggles which we every day go through. How will you, as a Indian citizen, how will you overcome the struggles? Still, rights are not being equally given. How would you improvise and tell me? Yes, only Haley is there on my screen. Let me remind you. Yes, Nahida.
While following democracy itself give you to fight against the India's freedom struggle. Still,
So yes, Nahida. But now we are in school, no? How will I give democracy when I'm in school? I'm a small kid, right?
ma'am, will you please repeat the question again which you're asking?
Giving democracy or imparting rule is the work of government or is the work of higher authorities. Being a school, how would you impart justice? Give, how would you match up with the problems which are going on? Like, for example, education is not being given equally to the girls and boys in the family. How would you do that? How would you improvise
Seats
that in
would
your
be
family?
reserved for girls. Seats would be reserved for the girls.
Seats should be reserved for the girls. Very good. And when they are coming to the school, when they are coming, girls are coming, boys are coming. What should we be doing? We should be giving equal importance, equal participation, cooperation is important. Very good, Haley. So these are some of the points we should be taking up as a citizen of India. Yes. Anyone wants to add anything? Sharmila wants to add anything? Sharmila, you're stuck or I am stuck.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Yes. Sharmila, I'm waiting for you.
And there should be no gender-based discrimination regarding
There
the
should be no gender bias. Very good. And what else?
Equal facilities can be like kept or can be given to the like boys and girls in the school, so they don't feel, like partial or something.
Perfect. Very good, Healy. Impartiality shouldn't be there when you are roaming in the society, when you are there in the school. This should be followed by everyone, not only by the teacher or the higher authority, but even at your end, you should be very good. Unbiased textbook content. Very good. When you are taking examples of boys, there should be also girls into it. Very good. Yes, Naida, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, even we can give them a free shift to the girls, as
Free
we
shift to the girl.
can allow
Okay.
them to come to the school because they have many children and they couldn't allow to the all children to go to school. They only allow to boys. So if we give
Okay.
free shift, they also be
Hmm.
in the school to study.
Very good. Just for them not to come into school, no, even parents don't provide them with adequate amount of food in their tiffins. So what you are going to do, kids? If you find a friend whose parents are not able or not capable for them to send to the school, still they are sending them forcefully, giving them free shifts and everything, and they are not getting enough of food. What you will do? Will you share your
Some
tiffin
will
with them?
share our tiffins.
Very good. These qualities are important, student. As a citizen, at least we could do one bit for the students, for the people of India who are not that capable. Okay, let's move towards one more video. But before that one video, I want to ask you who are the sorry, Haley has put down something. Let me asking similar types of question, because sometimes it thoughts that girl are less intelligent and question asked to them are basic. Exactly, Haley. This is how girls in technology, girls in prominent fields are being taken aback because they are feel that they aren't capable. Okay, so very good point. You should be participating. See why the image has been created, because we don't participate. So you should be participating in every event. Whatever event comes, you should be the first one to give your name. This is how participation of the girls would increase. This is how women empowerment would be there in the society. Are you getting my point, girls? Felsi, Sabina,
Yes, ma'am.
Sharmila, Nahida, Pavitra. So if you are getting your point, getting my point as well, why all are there? Are there on the screen? Only Haley I could see on the screen. Haley, can you see others on the screen?
Yes, ma'am, we are there.
my
Neither and Sharmila I can
account to
see.
open it.
You're
I'll
facing
just
network issue.
join this.
Is that so?
Yes, ma'am, your screen is went off in between.
Yes. Can I see everyone on the screen, students? And if everyone is there, let me know so that I'll move towards the part of sharing.
Yes, ma'am, only Pavitra and you and ma'am are not there.
I am not there on the screen.
Yes, you are not there on the screen.
Is it? Haley, Sabina, Felsi, you all can see me
Now
on the
you are
screen.
there. Now you are
Now,
there, ma'am.
Okay,
now you're
okay,
visible,
fine,
ma'am.
fine,
You
fine.
you you,
Yes,
you
so
are there, but I guess neither is facing some issues because I
okay, no
can see her,
problem,
I
no
cannot
problem.
see her.
Okay, no problem, no problem. See, before I move towards the video, before I move towards the next video, students, I want to ask you, can you name some prominent freedom fighters or even unsung if you know? Yes, I want, yes, Nahida, go ahead. Yes, yes, go ahead. Unmute yourself and speak. I hope you are
Gandhiji,
speaking, but I'm,
Gandhiji,
Gandhiji is there. Very good, Sabina. And who else?
Ma'am, Abdul Kalam
Subhash
are
Chandra
there.
Bose is there. Very good. These were some of the prominent names in
Ma'am,
men's. I want you all to even put
Arjun
down.
Asif Ali.
Aruna Safari, very good. I was about to ask the same thing. Can I have some prominent women in the same field in politics?
Some Sehgal, I don't remember the whole name, but I had did like read about her somewhere.
Yes, very good. Lakshmi Sehgal itself. Yes. Other than that, very good. Haley Felsi coming up with women
Rani
names also
Lakshmibai.
important.
Ma'am, one
In politics,
Varma Devi, something. Varma
Mhm.
Devi
Very
also
good. We
there.
have to go towards. We have to go towards the
Bhagat
entire
Singh.
list. Bhagat Singh is there. Very good. Let's move towards one part. Sharmila, you want to add some name to it? Sharmila, Pavitra. Pavitra, you were there in the class.
Ma'am, can we say
Yes, ma'am.
Savitri Bai also one of them because she was uh, in the
Yes.
freedom struggle? Can we say Savitri Bai also be part of
Yes, she
it?
was in struggle against the first struggle she started was against the own people because she has to fight with the people
Even
who
I
are
was
staying
about
beside her. So yes, we can come up with her name as well.
to ask the same thing.
Sabina, your voice is breaking for me. Just a minute. Yes, Sabina, you were saying something. I'm sorry. Hmm? Sabina. Yes, yes, Sabina. Tell me.
She's stuck, I suppose.
Okay, no problem. Shall we go ahead now? Sabina, you can add up your point. I'll just put down here that you can add up the points.
No, I wasn't saying anything. No.
No worries. If you want to add something from the video as well, you can add. See, I have done one small attempt to portray a woman freedom fighter in this video. If there's any mistake, just spare me with that. But please understand the entire scenario, and then we'll discuss about how women participation was not there for one generation for only for the freedom struggle, but it is continued for three continuous generation. Okay, so let's watch that video, understand the person, understand the family background of the person, and I'll be asking questions in between students. Okay, you're there with me, right?
Yes,
Pavitra,
ma'am.
Nahida,
Yes.
Haley, Sharmila. Only Nahida is saying yes. What about the others? Yes,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Pavitra, I heard your voice for the first time since morning. Pavitra, can I have you on the screen? Sharmila, Sabina, Felsi.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Ma'am, are you presenting the screen? Couldn't able to see anything.
Is it
No,
not
no, it's not
visible to anyone
visible.
in the classroom?
It's not visible.
no,
Just a
ma'am, it's
minute,
not.
ma'am. I'll just reshare it. Wait a minute. Is the screen visible now at least? Wait a minute. It is getting shared. I could see loading at my
Yes,
end.
ma'am. Your screen is visible.
Very good. Am I visible on the
Yes,
screen?
Ye-
yes, you were there.
yes, yes, yes.
I'll start everything from the beginning. Let me know if it is audible also. Okay.
It is audible also.
Everyone, it is audible, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Not only for you, for everyone, it is audible. What
Yes.
was audible? I'll go ahead. I'll play the video. Okay. In small small pieces, so you won't miss anything. Not anything is being left undiscussed. So please pay attention to everything very carefully. A strong mother of a free daughter is born when a woman is empowered and autonomous. Such is the story of Ammukuttan Swaminathan, Lakshmi Sehgal, and Shubhashini Ali, a mother, a daughter, and a woman written in the ink of female emancipation. These strong women are related not only by a familial relationship, but also a desire to free women from the constraint of patriarchy. They represent the embodiment of female leadership and freedom, hailing from different generations. They have ushered in the new era of self-expression and equality for women across generations. In this hazy generation, the life tale of such remarkable women beg to be heard and assimilated. Absolutely, Aishwarya. My mother, Ammukuttan Swaminathan, is recognized for a self assured, self sustaining, and an aggressive lady who believed in herself and her own way of life. Her self assurance was independent, maybe traced back to 14 years old teen who married on her own terms in the society, where women were never given a say. We were. Was it creating an echo, students, at your end?
Ma'am, it's stuck in
No, no,
between actually.
it is lagging.
Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. See, one thing I can do is I'll provide you with the. Let me go back. I'll provide you with one link. Students, copy. Okay. Is the link operating at your end? Just click on that link and tell me if the link is working at your end. Yes, Naida, Felsi, Haley, Sabina, Sharmila. Yes, Nahida, Sabina. Is the link working? Haley, you are on mute.
Shall I share it or should we watch it on our own end?
That's what I was supposed to tell you. Students, maybe most of you are facing network issue. Click on the link, view at your end, and exactly it is of 3 minutes, students. So now it is 8:59. Come back at 9:03 exactly. Click on the link, view that entire video, and then come back on the screen. I'm giving you 3 minutes exactly. Click on the link, view that entire video. It is important because we have to discuss on that same video in the next 20 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am is loading. It's not showing to for me.
Okay, Sabrina, just copy that particular link and then put it in the
I copied.
YouTube. YouTube. Put in the YouTube
Yeah.
itself.
Now
Very
it's
good.
fine.
Very good. I have also provided this link, students, in the WhatsApp group so that you can refer that video properly and come back.
I'm done watching the video.
Very good, Nahida. I hope you have understood also.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let others also finish and then we'll start discussing. Students, we only have 1 minute left. I want you all back on the screen. Okay.
Ma'am, can we slow down the speed of the video?
Definitely. Definitely, Sabina. See, there's an option of playback speed. On that playback speed, you can make it to zero point 0.5, 0.75 so that the speed would decrease. It's
Where
happening at
exactly,
your
ma'am?
end. See, when you go on the settings of that video itself in your
Okay,
phone, move towards the like in the video itself, you would
I
see
found
on
it.
the top playback speed is being given at the options in the settings. Slow it down. Done? Nahita was done. What about the others? Vicky, Sharmila, Felsi, Pavitra. Okay, very good. Sharmila is done. What about the others? Haley, Felsi, Pavitra, you're still watching, I suppose.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Come back on the screen then if you all are done. Okay, come back on the screen.
There on the screen.
They are there on the screen. Fine. I could only see Haley on my screen. What about the others?
Ma'am, Sharmila, I, neither, everyone is here.
There, no, there. Okay, okay, no problem. Maybe I am facing some network issue, so it might happen that you all are not on my screen. But I hope interaction would be there. Yes. Tell me one thing which really hit you when the entire video was being played. One thing which is there marked on your head.
Lakshmi Sehgal and his contribution and her contribution towards the freedom struggle.
Lakshmi Sehgal and her contribution in the freedom struggle. How is
Ma'am,
the
how does the
contribution?
three generation are like they're not only related by the blood, but they also as related to the love to their motherland, like how all the three generations which are there.
Okay, very good. Sabina, your answer is
Ma'am,
still I am in the continuation. Okay, I want the answer. How she
The another
contributed.
thing
Yes.
that the other thing
Yes,
that
Haley.
tricked me was like even after independence we only got political independence but not the economic independence, and her daughter started working with the field with the economic independence, and she is still a part of that thing, and she is not only working professionally but she is also into her working with her passion that is towards the acting, and she was herself was also portrayed in the movie. So it is like we cannot only contribute to one thing if we want to, and if we think of, and if we want to, so we can even we can have two things going simultaneously, working on our passion and working on for professional life simultaneously. So that gives an inspiration.
Exactly, exactly. Have you heard the saying, Jack of all is master of none? Have you heard this? Am I correct with the statement? The statement actually continues with that Jack of everything is at least better than Jack of nothing. So you should be contributing, students, since we all are girls here, we should be prominently contributing to everything what comes before us. You don't know where your passion would actually lie into it. Now you are very small kids. We have all the competition in the schools. I would highly encourage you to participate in everything. Like how the daughter of Lakshmi Sehgal was into
Your voice
was
is
into
breaking.
is it breaking for everyone?
no, ma'am.
No?
Just a second, just a second.
Okay.
It's a
Sabina, just
lagging
check with
little
the
bit.
network. Yes, yes. I'll just check with the network. Is it proper or is it still lagging for your end?
It's lagging.
Still lagging?
Ma'am, you're stuck.
I am stuck. Sabina, just check with the network.
No, no, you are stuck, but you're audible too.
Kids, am I audible to you all now? Yes, tell me. Bless you, really.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Audible.
ma'am, now you're fine. Audible.
Just a minute. I'll just connect it to my phone network. Maybe then it will work all. Clear for everyone. Hello. Haley,
Yes,
Sabina,
ma'am. Yes,
Sharmila,
you are
Kelsey,
audible, ma'am.
Pavitra.
Yes.
That's what I wanted to hear. Okay, next we are left with Pavitra and Sharmila to add up their points. Yes, Pavitra, Sharmila, you are there, right? Or you have not watched the video only? Yes, Sharmila, I'm waiting. Sharmila, Pavitra, political freedom. So these three ladies have given political freedom to the entire India, right? Sharmila, yes, ma'am. You want to add anything, Pavitra, to it? Pavitra is not there. Hmm? Yes, Sabina, Kelsey, Nahida, you all want to add in on behalf of Pavitra and Sharmila who are not talking.
Ma'am, she was also focusing about without getting married, like uh, leaving the stereotype of the society without getting married. Maybe she has come ahead in the freedom of struggle. Might be she was talking about in the video.
Without getting
She,
married.
I,
Uh-huh.
I wanted to add up to Naida that she talked about her mother who went against the stereotypes of the society at the age of 14 and got married under her own
Married.
terms and conditions.
Okay, okay, maybe I'm mistaken the statement.
Yeah. You know, when questions, even now when you ask about our males in the family, they are never asked whether they are going anywhere out. But when I move out of the family, or when the female move out of the family, we are being questioned where you're going. Does this happen at your end also?
Yes,
Even your
ma'am.
mom
Yes.
and dad ask you where you're going, but the same treatment is not there for your brother. Why is it so? Why the stereotype is so with our parents as well? You don't have to go out of your family. It's the same in your family as well, right?
It's like men are more safe and girls aren't.
Exactly, exactly. Why? Because our family is more concerned. Women are not that safe in the society, and that's the reason we have n number of questions. That is concern out of love. Students, and it was not something which is prominent about them. It is still prominent now. Still, there are a lot of women who are facing on everyday basis. But even after facing, there were a lot of women. There were a lot of prominent ladies who came up first in their field. Maybe first into as a doctor, first as an engineer, first as in the technological field, first in the science field, first in the political field. And this is how even we can be raised up. Even if our voice is down right now, our family or our society doesn't gives us the right to speak up. If we decide to know, we would raise our voice, we would be prominently in front, we will be in the headlines. Okay, so let's move towards one more part. I'll share one more part, and in this, students, as you all can see, is there on the screen? My screen is visible, students?
No, no.
Not yet, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, it is now.
Now it is there. What you all can see. Pavitra, can you read this for me, Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Women in India, unheard stories.
Hmm.
From
Read,
pioneers
read.
of the past to
Two.
from pioneers of the past to innovators of the present, meet the women who have changed Indian culture forever.
Forever. Okay. So students, as you go through this entire Google Arts and Culture document, you would see prominent women in their field, in the freedom struggle, in their
I've not
particular.
heard about Malaka Chanda.
Yes, yes, definitely. See, Malaka Chanda was the first one into the Mughal period, where she was, since at that particular time in the Mughal time, men's were given prominent to speak. Men's were the one who was sitting in the courtier. They were not, women were not the one to give their contribution, give their suggestion, because they were kept at the back end. If you have seen
Ma'am, can you
pictures
go
where,
little slow? Can you go little
yes,
slow?
yes, Sabina, yes, Sabina. Am I audible to you first clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So I hope we all have seen movies which portray Mughal Empire. Have you all seen any of the movies?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where have you seen queens sitting in that particular setup? Were they in the
In the
prominent
back.
They
discussion?
were in the background, like agar if they were even in the court, they had the separate room with parda and everything, and the people were there. The people were not allowed to see the queen.
Exactly. Even the people were not allowed to see where the queen is sitting, what she is doing, and even the queen was not allowed to participate. At the same time, Chanda was the one queen who actually took up the throne, given a prominent words to the family, to the society, to the entire empire to come up to flourish. So that was her contribution. As well as ladies, you can actually go towards this site and you can read about her contribution as well in much detail form. Okay, is the overview clear to you, Haley? Perfect. Then we don't have to portray Savitribai Phule. It's very famous for us. It's because of her we are right now onto this online setup, learning, educating ourselves. If she wasn't there, I don't think it was very difficult for us to even take education. Okay. So Savitri Bai Phule. There are a lot of ladies, Rakhma Bai, Anandi Bai Joshi, Tarabai Shinde. So these were some of the prominent ladies back then. Even now, the story continues. There are even prominent ladies now. Okay. Now, what I want you all to do in the next 5 minutes is there are a lot of leading ladies. If you go from the top till here at the end, in every field of STEM, in arts, uh, in the olden times, in the traditional history, even in the modern history, what we are going through, every day is there. Even the museums are being portrayed for the museum giving or attributing the women in the society. So what I'll do, students, here is I'll provide you with the link. Just go on this, go through that entire view, and select one lady and one statement of your choice to tell an information. Like how I gave you information about the first lady, about the Queen Chanda. I want you all to go through it, go through that entire page, select one lady of your choice, go through her setup, go through the information through her, and I just want to one line from that particular lady, only one line. Okay, whichever lady you are selecting, you can come back here, put down her name, and go back read about her. Okay, we will be only taking only the next 5 minutes for her, and then we'll stop. Okay, click on the link and let me know whether it is visible for you or no. Copy the link and open it in Chrome. Don't open it in browser. Open it in Chrome. Any lady of your choice. If you want to take Anandi Bai Joshi, you can go ahead. If you want to take Ahilya Bai Holkar, you can take. If you want to take someone who is very recent, like Shubha Tole, these people are very recent. Then someone from this women musicians of Rajasthan can take up any lady, read the information and get one line for it. Okay, very good. Anandi Joshi, the first medical practitioner. Excellent. Sabina has already taken. Go ahead, students.
Ma'am, I've taken Dr. Rakma Bai.
Put down in the status so that it put down in the chat box so it won't be repeated for anyone.
Ma'am, I'm not able to use it exactly. Can you help me out because
Definitely, definitely, Healy. Tell me the lady you have selected, Healy, so I'll share the screen for you.
I've not selected the lady.
Okay, you are unable to view that entire screen.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you just click on the link and share it for me? Share the screen so I'll help you accordingly.
First one is protein. So your answer is done. Acha, got it, got it, got it.
No worries, no worries. Very good. I just want you all to just pick up one line, one catchy line from that particular contributor. Okay? If it's Ahilya Bai Holkar, one line for Ahilya Bai Holkar.
Ma'am, done.
Very good, Nahida. Nahida is always the one who comes up with yes, ma'am. Very good, Kelsey. Sabina, Pavitra, Sharmila, Healy. Or I'll have to give you some written work there. Likho or bejo. If you want that, then even that way can be done. Fancy, I think Fancy and Haley has taken the same lady. Just make sure that it
Ma'am,
is
one
not repeated.
statement, na? Only one statement.
Only one
Razia
statement,
Sultana.
one prominent
Razia Sultana.
statement. Even Haley has taken the same person. Haley, just make sure that you change the particular lady.
Yes,
at your
yes,
end.
I'll do. Has anyone taken Begum Hasrat Mahal?
No, I suppose. Anandi Joshi, Ahilya Bai Holkar, Razia Sultana, Dr. Rakma Bai. So you can take, I think you can go ahead with that. Okay. By the time Haley is coming up with her prominent line, Naida, go ahead, tell us about Dr. Rakma Bai. Nahida?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I've not gone through the all things which are there on the list, but I have gone through at least some of the points when she was the first doctor who has taken the his medical studies on that particular in 1887, and at the end of the paragraph, it was stated that Dr. Rakmabai's story was a series of courageous action that set history in motion. She followed each dream with uh, decisive action, raising about social convention. She stood up with her right and create a legacy. So
Very
her story may not to reach to many lives, but it's remain for a people to be inspired by. So this is something which is very new for me. The woman have to.
Yes. When the period of medical being very prominent only with men's, the doctor were men's, there were even women
Yes,
like us who are very frightened to even show their body to the men's. It happens. It happens now also. If we fall sick, the ladies prominently go towards a lady doctor only. At that time, lady doctor were not that prominent. Teachers, or basically, sorry, women were not taking medical as a career at that time. Then these prominent ladies into medical have taken a step towards taking the medical degree and creating history. Very good, Nahida. Yes, moving toward Felsi. Felsi, are you
Yes,
done?
yes, ma'am. Shall I start?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
So my lady was Razia Sultana. Razia Sultana, she was like the first ever woman and the only woman to have the Sultanate of in Delhi, Sultanate of India in Delhi, which was according to like 1263 to 1240. And she was she was not a royal she was not a royal, she was, and she entered the court through like a slave trade that was there, but then to her who was there, who was there, I cannot remember the name, who was there, imparted her wisdom and like the battlefield's tactics and everything. And after he died, she was the one who's to take over, but the people were not happy with the girl, with the woman taking over, so they brought about her brother to take over, but the brother also was assassinated. So then after everything, she, with the resilience of her strength, she took over. And she took over, and then the thing that is there, she dropped her veil, which was prominent for the people to wear. She dropped her veil and she replaced it with men attires. The line which I really liked is she authoritatively issued coins in her name, proclaiming herself to be the pillar of women and the queen of the times.
Like, exactly, very good, Felsi. Doesn't it seem a similar movie to what we have watched in Bahubali? Like how the throne of men's, how the throne of patriarchy society was being handled
yes,
very
ma'am. Yes.
successfully by a lady. That's what is being prominently done by Razia Sultana at her time when there was no men's in the throne, on the throne to take up the responsibility. Very good. Yes, Sabina. Yes, Sabina, you want to add your lady information? Sabina is not there, or I am not audible to anyone. Elsie, Nahida, Haley,
No, ma'am, you're audible.
am I audible to
You
everyone
are,
in the classroom?
yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead. Yes, Sabina is not there in the classroom. Sabina,
Ma'am, she's not there.
bye.
No, she's there, but
She's
not
there.
to
She's there,
speak.
but I think she's stuck or something because she's not responding.
Okay, okay, no worries. Pavitra, Pavitra, you are there? You want to add up?
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Pavitra, which lady you have taken? I can't see her name being put up in the chat box. Yes, Pavitra, go ahead.
I have taken Muthulakshmi Reddy.
Very good. Go ahead, Pavitra.
She was the woman who broke the barriers of gender and pushed her boundaries in multiple areas. Like Uh, she was a mark, like left a mark in medicine, education, and law. Like that time, there was no education given to the girl child, but she was interested in education and finished her education.
Yes, Pavitra.
And she was the one who like raised the age of consent for marriage to 16 years for girls and 21 years for boys.
Very good. So, being a lady into law, Pavitra has taken a lady which was active in the southern part of India. In the southern part of India, I hope I am correct, and putting up laws, understanding how the women were there, what they were facing, and then accordingly appealing for the particular bill to be passed is what she has taken up in her career, in her active career. Very good. Sharmila, yes, Sharmila, I think Sharmila would be the last one.
Yes, sir.
Sabina is done. Yes, Sharmila. Sharmila is speaking. Because I am unable to hear you. Pavitra, Felsi, Sabina, Haley, can you hear Sharmila at your end? Because I could see she is unmuted.
Yeah, yeah, yes, ma'am. She has unmuted, but she's not speaking.
Okay. Sharmila and
Yeah.
yes, Sharmila, I think
Ma'am, I am audible.
yes.
Ahilyabai Holkar was a noble queen of the Maratha Empire.
Hmm.
She is regarded as one of the finest female ruler in India. As a ruler of Malwa kingdom, she spread the message of drama and promoted industrialization in the 18th century.
Okay. Fine, no problem, Sharmila. Very good. So she has come up with the Lady Ahilyabai Holkar. Okay, fine. So Sabina, she has joined now. Sabina, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, yes, I can hear you now.
Yes, Sabina, tell me about the woman you have selected and her prominent qualities.
She was married at the age of very early years, and she had child by the age of 14, and his child died after
Name
this
her
birth.
name. I'm sorry,
Anandi
Sabina.
Vai,
Can you just name?
Anandi Vai
Yes.
Joshi. And
Okay,
the
Anandi
loss
Bhai
upon her
Joshi.
child to inspire her to become a doctor.
Yes, she inspired to become a doctor. Again, the same story with her as well. But then her entire family, especially her husband, was very supportive at her end. I hope even you all have watched the video documentary which has been showcased. So these were about some of the prominent ladies, and I would recommend students you all to go through that entire presentation, go through every lady, check. You never know who would inspire you to be in that field. Now you are kids, now you are thinking about becoming a doctor, becoming an engineer, becoming an actor, becoming all those different fields which are available. You need an inspiration, students. Without inspiration you won't be able to ace in your career. This is the page. Go through this page, find your inspiration, find your model, follow them. How even be in the bad times, they have came up with the good thing in their life. Okay, will you all promise me to be the best person in your life? Can I hear some yes in the classroom?
Yes, yes.
Very good, Nahida. What about the others? Felsi, Haley, Pavitra, Sabina, Sharmila?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Be the best in your field. Fine. So thank you very much, students. We'll meet in the next class with the next topic. For now, I hope you all have understood everything about the woman empowerment. Thank you very much, students.
Okay, somebody who will give the feedback. Should I?
feedback?
Ma'am, should I?
No,
Nahid?
yeah, yes,
Yes,
Nahida.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It was a themed lesson. So she was focusing more on the different kind of women are in the freedom struggle. We started the lecture with a very innovative thing. Like she has put the video through which she portrayed in different museums how these freedom fighters been displayed, and through that she come up with the content and ask student to read, and then she portray yeah, her talk by the video where she was explaining about one woman. After that, that was engaging part for us because each and every person is reading. Even she was lagging to connect through the phone. She has told others to take a charge and go ahead with the video. That was very good decision taking on that time, where each and every person can see through their own mobile. So the lagging was not there. So at the end, we reach to the something new, which is a culture, Google culture, which is not even known to many people, but student can even. I have gone through. I have not seen. I most of the in the Google we can see only pictures, but while reading it, there is a cartoonic character which try to portray what is going on exactly. So even person is not a student are not able to interested in reading. They at least go through the pictures and can a little bit context. They will understand what she's belong to, what is happening with that person. And at the end of the statement, it was concluded what exactly she was known for. So simple and crisp, the student can easily understand the content. So overall, it was very engaging and very nice for using different ICT equipments. Yes, Ashwarya, very good. Not
Ma'am is
audible,
not.
Ashwarya.
Thank you very much, Nahida. But ma'am is not there now. What should we do? Okay, ma'am is sending some recordings in the WhatsApp.
Someone please play because I've kept my headphone on charge because I have to go to college.
Who is the next one, Haley? I think it is you or
Me.
Sabina.
Sabina.
Okay, okay. Sabina, you can stop recording and then you can send me the recordings afterwards.